In this video, we are going to talk about the use and properties of different metals. Metal can be easily seen in our modern society. They are used for making a wide range of different objects, such as the large buildings, bridge, car, ship, airplanes, or some small tools or jewelries, and even coins. All of them are made of different kinds of metals. The reason why metals are widely used in our society is that when compared with conventional materials such as wood, metals has a lot of special properties which make them become a better choice in different areas. For example, due to their shiny surface, metals are often chosen to make jewelries, and their good electrical conductivity make them become the only choice for making electrical wire. Moreover, metals are hard and strong, and they are also malleable and ductile. All these properties make them become useful in different areas. This slide shows the common metals that we can see in our daily life and their properties. To make the right choice for different usage, we have to consider their distinct properties and advantages. For example, if we have to choose suitable metals for making electrical wire for low-quality electrical appliance, which metal should we choose, and which properties should we consider? Students, you will now have 15 seconds to choose suitable metals for making such an electrical wire. Okay, time's up. In this table, we can see that silver is the best conductor of electricity. However, silver is not a good choice because silver is an expensive metal. Therefore, copper would be a better choice for that usage. It is because copper is a very good conductor of electricity and it is cheaper than silver. How about water pipe? Which metal would you choose? Would you choose iron, copper, or aluminium? Due to the presence of water, the metal chosen to make water pipe should be corrosion resistant. Therefore, copper would be a good choice. Besides that, copper is also a non-poisonous metal. Therefore, it will not make the drinking water become poisonous. How about cooking utensil? Which metal would you choose? In this case, we have to choose a metal that is good heat conductor. And besides that, it should be also a non-poisonous metal. Can you find such a metals in this table? Yes, you're right. Copper is also a good choice for making cooking utensil because it is a good conductor of heat, and besides that, it is corrosion resistant and is non-poisonous. As we have mentioned before, copper is a common choice for making electrical wire. However, in case of overhead power cable, would you choose copper again? The answer is no, because overhead power cable is built for a very long distance. Therefore, we have to consider the price of the metals as well as the electrical conductivity. With such a consideration, aluminium would be chosen for making overhead power cable because it is a good conductor of electricity. Besides that, it is also cheaper than copper. And more importantly, it is a metal with low density. If a metal with high density is chosen for making overhead power cable, the cable would become longer and longer due to its heavy weight. As a result, density is also an important properties that we have to consider in this case. Okay, how about aircraft body? Which metal would you choose? Would you choose iron due to its hardness? Or would you choose aluminium? Both iron and aluminium are hard and strong. However, aluminium has a lower density, which is a very important consideration in making aircraft body, because with lower density, the weight of the airplane could be lower. It is easier for the airplane to take off. with a lower wave. In making soft drink cans, we will also consider the density of the materials because with a lower density, the wave of the soft drink can be lower, which could reduce the transportation costs. And for jewelries, which metal would you choose? In this case, gold and silver are commonly used because both metals have attractive colors, and also they are corrosion resistant, which can maintain their shiny surface for a very long time. And besides that, they are expensive, so that the jewelries can be more valuable. And here comes the last example. For making thermometers, we have to choose a metal that would expand easily and expand significantly upon heating. That's why we should not choose the metal that exists as solid state. It is because solids is usually has a less extent in thermal expansion when compared with liquid. As a result, mercury becomes the only choice for this purpose. It is because mercury is the only metal that exists as liquid in room temperature and pressure. And that's the reason why mercury would expand to a larger extent when compared with other metals upon heating. So up to now, we have talked about different properties of metals and their usage, and you can use the content in this video to finish the Note 6 that I have distributed to you before the Christmas holidays. And if you have any questions, you can reach me through the Google Classroom or send me an email. My email address is lsc@christcollege.edu.hk. Merry Christmas. Goodbye.